Most people get this wrong when they see the message, Mistplay is not available in your region. They immediately start downloading random apps or changing settings without understanding why the restriction exists in the first place. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is using methods that can get your account flagged or permanently restricted. In this video, you'll learn why Mistplay may not be available in your region in 2026, the safest ways to check eligibility, and what you can do if the app isn't officially supported where you live. First, let's answer the main question. Mistplay operates only in selected countries. If you try to install or use the app from an unsupported location, you may see a region restriction message. This usually happens because of licensing agreements, advertising partnerships, or local business requirements. The first thing you should do is check whether Mistplay officially supports your country. App availability can change over time, so don't rely on old videos or forum posts. Always verify using the latest information from the app's official listing or support resources. But here's the problem. Many users assume the issue is always their country. Sometimes that's not true. In some cases, your device's region settings, App Store region, or account information may not match your actual location. For example, imagine Alex recently moved from one country to another. His phone was still set to his previous region. Even though he was in a supported country, the App Store continued showing regional restrictions. Updating the account and region settings solved the issue. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If Mistplay is genuinely unavailable in your country, there may not be an official workaround. Availability is controlled by the company, not by a simple phone setting. This is where most people fail, because they spend hours searching for secret tricks that don't actually work. Instead, focus on safe options. Keep the app updated if it's already installed, verify your account details, and periodically check for official expansion announcements. App availability can change as companies enter new markets. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid wasting time. Before trying any complicated fixes, confirm 3 things. Your country is officially supported, your App Store region matches your location, and your device software is up to date. These checks solve many common issues without any risk. So let's recap. If Mistplay says it's not available in your region, first verify country support. Next, check your App Store and device region settings. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. If the service is not officially available where you live, the safest option is to wait for future support rather than using risky methods. If this video helped you understand the issue, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your country, and subscribe for more simple tech guides and troubleshooting tutorials.